Welcome to Ascenzor Elevators, your trusted name in high-precision elevator components. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and in-house CNC bending and laser cutting machines helps us deliver components on time. We manufacture components like car frame, counterframe, elevator structure, brackets, glass machine base, combination brackets, cabin, safety limit brackets, limit webcam, etc. We also provide complete turnkey solutions starting from general arrangement drawing and delivering of all components at your site. We will be happy to serve you. Please send your inquiries at info@ascenzor.com.